today we're going to be taking a look at this Hoover Junior 1334A from the 1960s. I got this from someone I know. It came with two Electrolux 350Es and a Hoover Celebrity Custom. This machine is in full working condition, has been fully stripped down, cleaned, bearings greased and oiled, and bag washed, and it works like new. So it's got its original cable, bag, front plate and bumper, which is all nice. It's got the original style 1960s MK plug, which is cool. It's the rubber outer plug. No swivelling cord hook on these models, way before that all started. So let's just take the cable off. It's a bit patinaed around the edges. You can see it's scraped here and there, but of course I'm not going to repaint it because of that. This is the earlier style with the bag clamp, so you just undo this screw and the bag will come off, unlike older newer models where they had a little screw thing at the back. So this model has just the front plate, no headlight or anything, and is a 1334A. I'm not sure how to date these. I think you need a service manual to date these machines, because it's pre when the dating system came in. But it says it's 250 watts AC DC motor, 0 to 60 cycles, 225 to 250 volts, rating 9. So it's got all that on there. It's quite shiny. It's had a new belt, not a genuine Hoover, but one of them cheap ones off eBay. They do the trick perfect. Here's underneath. Brushes are fairly short on it. They don't really clamp down on the carpet. It's got the beater bars. The brush roll doesn't need repainting actually, because it's quite rusty. Put the handle back quickly, and we'll show you the rest of the underneath. So these ones are before the little dial on the top to adjust the height, so you have to do it manually underneath. So you just push it forward and push backwards like that. Like that. There we go. So we'll leave it on 2 because this carpet, that's what we use it on. I use it on. There's a plate under there. There's some big gouges in it. Don't know what they are, but you know. So tip it back up. Here's the back of the cleaner. It has all the original cable, grommets, etc. Original pedal and grommet there. Do the bag. The bag has a little hole in it there at the top, but it's a 50-odd-year-old vacuum cleaner, so what do you expect? Here's the bag in it that I have in it. It's a Sebo Airbolt K bag, so we'll use them, and the bellows are in nice condition as well. So let's put all that back up. So yeah, it's got its original on-off switch cover, which is not faded, unlike my 1354A, the Dirt Searcher one. That's very faded. I need to get a new one, but this one is nice and red still. So we'll plug this in and we'll give it a little demo. enjoyed that little demo of this. Sorry about the very loud squeaky noises the back wheels were making. I need a bit of grease or something on those. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the little sort demo I did. Just showing the power of the machine and what it does to get grit out of your carpet. So yeah, there we go, there's a little demo of that for you. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and of course, bye for now.